Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. I'm here to inform you that UK has open opportunity for visitor visa. Hey, you can do a lot now with visitor visa. In this January, starting from 31st of January, everything will change. So never you go worry, exercise patient and many more and many more. And you especially no more IELTS, no more English proficiency. All you need to show is that you have reasonable income. You have money to sustain yourself or sponsor yourself during your visit in UK. And you can stay up to 6 months or you can stay up to 2 years, 5 years, even 10 years on tourist visa, on visitor visa. Hey, my dear people, I will share link for you where you can apply. Never you be afraid. Just go and gather your documents. It's very easy and simple. If you are working, let me tell you this, if you are working, you are easy and you are ready to go. So what you need to do, get a approval letter from your employer, annual leave that you are going to holidays. They will you show proof that this is a organization or company or my workplace issuing me a leave to stay about 2 years or 3 years or 6 months. 6 months visa, you have to pay 150 pounds, and for 2 years you have to pay 400 pounds, and for 5 years you have to pay 750 pounds, and for 10 years you have to pay 1,000 pounds. Hey, this is above coming and looking around and spending your money. Wow, wow, wow. No more IELTS. IELTS, bye bye. And no more denial of visa. They have reshuffled everything and reset everything in their country. They want people to be flooding and going and coming back. They need reasonable people. But first of all, you will show many proof that yes, I am capable. It's very easy if you are working. No need to go to agent and say, please help me. You have to gather your paper by yourself. Are you working? Are you earning good income? Are you earning a tangible amount of money? Yes. If yes, gather all requirements. Number one, if you have your own house or any property, bring the proof that show yes, I am the owner. That is number one. Bring the proof of your income, 6 months bank statement. Bring it. Then, if you are a businessman, show that you are successful. Show that yes, my company is gaining a lot of money. Show them that yes, you are capable. You can sponsor yourself. You can feed yourself. You can accommodate yourself. Yes. First of all, you will tell them the intention of coming. Tell them you are coming to do this or do that, or coming to shopping, or coming to look around. You will mention a lot of places. Go to Google and see attractive places. You can mention that you are coming to see, you are coming to visit. Right intention matters. Tell them, yes, I'm coming here to do this. I'm coming here to see my family. I'm coming here for wedding. I'm coming here for business. I'm coming here for tourists, to look around, to spend time with friends. You can come to visit friends. You can come to visit family. You can sponsor yourself. Nobody, you cannot beg anybody for invitation, because all the papers they need, when you gather it, they can't deny you visa. They are very, very soft this time around, since the sponsorship has turned upside down and many people are crying. Now, God had answered their prayers. What I need to do is I will give you the link where you can apply by yourself. No more agent. Get enough financial support. Where are you going to stay? Is it in the hotel? Is it in the friend's house? Get their approval. Show them yes. they've approved that I will stay with them. Show them that yes, I've rented accommodation, or yes, I have paid for hotel. Everything need proof, not to tell them by the word of mouth. No, you have to show everything. Accommodation matters. Please, brothers and sisters, go and gather your documents. I will give you the link, the proper link, because a lot of fraudsters, they are into internet. They will concour a link. They will make it to look as if it's visa link or British link. They will write it in a way that it will resemble British link where you can apply for visa. Then they will corner you. They will write it, but they will remove a little thing. It will be maybe one word different from the British one. You will be thinking, yes, I got it, but it's not the main link. So now, the where you can do biometrics very close to your place now at Enugu. You can do it at Abuja or Lagos. I'm very happy that they have brought it in Enugu. So dear people, cry no more. Now, I've placed the link in my YouTube channel called Igbo Class World. Please go there in the description and get it. Here on the Facebook, I will place the link here after 3 days. Our admin will place it for you. So if you are in a hurry to see the link, go to our YouTube channel called Igbo Class World. Please, my people, share this video so that I bring you more. If you want us to bring more video about traveling, there's a lot of way to go to United Kingdom now, and no more IELTS. They cannot ask you for IELTS or English proficiency. It's very, very easy, and they don't deny visa anymore. Now it's very easy, it's very simple. You can do it by yourself without agent. All you need is the right full link. Why not try it by yourself? Even if you don't get it this time, you will go and get ready. Because those that they have denied visa, you can come back when you get the requirement and they will grant you. Why not try it with this link? I promise to give it to you. Now I have placed it in the YouTube. Go and get it there. Please share our video. Thank you. Bye for now.